Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Breeves Diva Polish Heat Seeking Stretch Pants and Maniology M158 Straight Up Black and Gold Rush. So we have already gotten started with our Nailtiques Formula 2 and here we go. Actually, oh my goodness, I can't believe I left this in here. Okay, so I am working on my lighting and my dialing in and my camera settings and all that, so I just decided to record all of this, but I did cut it down, you know, cut out the dead space as much as I could, but I actually left this in this time. Base coat down and dry, Breeves Diva Polish, Heat Seeking Stretch Pants. Oh, pretty hot pink. Yeah, here it is October and I'm breaking out a neon pink, because you know why? Because I can. I can do it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and fess up before we get to the end of this video. And I messed it up right there at the end. And you're going to get to see it. But I still loved it. Loved this manicure. Hi Woody. How you doing? So you can see that dries like kind of like a, it's not really a matte, but it's kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's not shiny. It's like almost like a rubberized. I'm going to show a picture of it when I get done here. So here we go. We're finishing up this here manicure on this part of it. Got my coats down and there it is. It's kind of like rubberized looking. I love it. So I'm going to top these now with the I&M out the door. We're going to draw this down some so we can get to the playing part of my day. Got my little bitty free edge there. Clean up again. Hi Woody. He's such a good dude. And there it is, glossy. Yay, yay. I'll be using Maniology M158 today. And I'm going to do this little pumpkin layered thing up at the top. And this is where I mess it up. So, I mean, I'm not messing it up just yet. We've got out our straight up black and gold rush. Two of my favorites. They get a lot of use. I got out a cube stamper and a scraper from Maniology. So I'm going to go in with the black first, and that's the base color, the background stamping. Got to clean up some of this excess off the stamper. And I've already gotten started, see. I'm going to plop that on the nail. They just look funky right now, but they're going to end up looking cuter. And we got one more to do. We're going to get one on this pinky nail too. I am going to add jack-o'-lantern faces to these pumpkins because I just couldn't resist. I was playing. You know, when I play, I get a little overboard. And that's almost too big for my nail. Actually, it's just a smidge too big, but we're going to roll with it. Got out my little lint roller in a cup thing. And now we're going to line this gold outline up on top of the black stamping. Get that mat out of my way. And this is where I mess up. Right here, I left the little swidgy swidge on there. You know, the stem, the stalk, the handle, depending on how you look at it. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some faces. Like I said, I really, really wanted to see some faces on here. Oh, yep, and I got some chip nail polish on my pointer finger. Excuse that. All right. And I'm going to clean that up. And I'm going to do all the faces that I want. I love that there's so many options. You got all kind of little options for these faces, and that's nice. You can do them all the same, or you can do like I'm doing and do a little bit of all of them, and just line that up and stick it on there. And I just love these. They're so cute. And I was really bad wanting a black and gold and hot pink Halloween manicure. It was in my head, and I really, really wanted it. And I did it. And here we go, picking out. And these little bitty faces don't take much polish. I'm probably putting way too much on there. Getting all crazy with it. Y'all don't be looking at my nose and the stamping plate, okay? That's just yucky. I'm kidding. But y'all do have to catch bits of me off leaning over into the plate looking. My big forehead sticking out up there. Yep, that's me. My hair all pulled back in a ponytail. I don't do a lot of face-to-face videos because I just don't care to get all fixed up, you know what I'm saying? I just want to be in my pajamas with my hair in a ponytail. Alright, so now I'm thinking I'm going to go back and fix this, because I've got the little gold swishies on some of the nails. And then I realized, nope, I got to add the black. So I'm going to put the black one on, but I'm putting it over to the side like it is on the stamping plate, instead of where it belongs, at the crook of the pumpkin. Oh my goodness, y'all, I must have been having me like a hardcore blonde moment. But it's okay, because I still really loved it. And the way I looked at it was, all my pumpkins were popping off the stems. That's just the way I'm going to look at it. They was just hopping off. Or like their little party hats flying in the air. I know, it's crazy. But you know, after I got done, I was like, well, I really do like the manicure, even though I totally messed it up and did wrong. But you guys know I share it all. But I really did like this one, even though, now I would like to have redone it and put the little stems where they belong. But I just didn't manage to, you know, go. I'm not going backwards. I got more manicures planned. So we're going to clean off this plate with some acetone and wipe it with the lint-free wipe. Get it all cleaned and ready to put away. And the little matty mat too, the little stampy mat. And then I'm going to top these nails with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Yes. And once that's dry, I'm going in with I&M out the door. And I just love that these nails are so short and they still look so stinking cute. Just proof that you don't have to have long claws to have fun. There is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.